Hi, this is Yagoda from JL Electrotherapy, and today we're going to be showing you how to use our Activo Med leg wraps and blanket. We're going to be showing you how to throw up the Activo Med blanket. To start out, you're going to have your blanket in 3 tiers. You're going to lay it over your horse's back. It's easy as that, making sure it comes all the way at the other end. Then you're going to take the neck piece first, pull it over your horse's neck. I usually try and pull it up a little bit. Then you're going to take the hind end piece of the blanket and just pull it over like that. Now to strap up your blanket, you're going to take your Velcro fleeces and strap them into the buckle under your horse's stomach. You also have a few up at your shoulders and your neck. You're going to buckle those in, making sure it's tight on your horse's neck and shoulders. You do have a little Velcro strip right there as well to make sure it's on your horse very well. And that's how you put on the blanket. Now for your control box, you're going to make sure that the impulse line part is right in front of you when you're putting this on. This is going to be on the left side of the horse. Now you're going to open up these parts. Usually your charger is plugged in. If it's not, you make sure you plug it into this battery part right here. Make sure to always grab at the silver, as if you start grabbing at the cord, that may ruin the cord and cause wires to trip. Now to connect your blanket, you're going to take your blanket wire, which is usually the silver one, and you're going to connect it in right into one of these. This is always your battery, the one that's separate from the two. You're going to connect it in using the silver piece, just like that. Now to turn on your battery, it is on the other side. It is just a click and it flips on, just like that. To start up your unit, you are going to start pressing the start button, which gets you to pages and sequences. Depending on what you're working on, you can either use a sequence or a program. I usually try and use a sequence, and I try and use number 2, but there's many different ones to choose from in your manual. To start, you just press start, and it starts working right away. To turn it off, you just press stop. If you just want to get it off, you always turn your battery off first, and then you start unplugging your cords and batteries. Just like that, making sure it fits right into there. So now, if you're trying to plug in one of your boots, if the blanket is on, you can only use one boot at a time. If you'd like to use just the boots, you can use 2 boots at a time, plugging them both in right into this area. Now, if you're using your blanket and your boot, you can hang this boot onto any leg. Now, at the end of your session, you're going to want to take off your blanket. I always start from the back, and I go in a 3-tier. I pull it over, and I pull the neck piece over. Then I take it off of the horse's body, and I can put it inside of the bag.